Okay, I gotta plant my carrots, and I have been unsuccessful in planting carrots and planting lettuce. Lettuce is probably late, but I still want to try and see what goes on. So I've been doing a little research. I've been looking at, of course, the computer, YouTube, see how people do their carrots and everything else. And I kind of crossed this guy, and he was talking about seed tape. And kind of looked into it, and I thought, wow, that's pretty cool. And then I found this other guy that was using toilet paper. And he placed the seeds inside the toilet paper, and then he spread them out like they need to be. And then he folded the paper over, and he sprayed it down with a squirt bottle. And that allowed the paper to stick together. Rolled it up, put it outside. Well, I'm going to start that. I'm going to try it because I don't know what it is. Can't do it, guys. I'm going to try growing carrots again and see what happens. So let me get this going here. Let me get some of this stuff rolled out. And okay, here's my toilet paper. Now, he didn't say nothing about it. I think he just used regular toilet paper, but I'm going to use biodegradable. One reason is that toilet paper breaks down a lot faster. And of course, we've got a camper, so I have a couple rolls out there if I need that much. What he did was he just poured out some of the seeds. Let me spread them down. I know the camera's not picking this all up, so give me a second here. Okay, and it says spaced apart 2 to 3 inches. Well, let's do my finger. That's 3 inches. When I get these seeds spread out, I will bring you back so you can see what it looks like. All right, I poured them on the paper all the way across. Now I'm going to show it to you. I'll go slow. You can see they're right there. They're about 3 inches apart, all the way across. Okay? All the way down. He folds the toilet paper in half. And what I did initially, I did fold the paper in half first to get a crease. He takes a water bottle and he just sprays it. Just gets it wet, I think wet enough to make those two pieces stick together. Alright, I'm going to do my lettuce now. And on my lettuce, I'm going to do the same exact thing. I'm actually going to fold this toilet paper in half first. Kind of just get that groove in there, so it's easier to fold over. Get that done. Now I'm just going to reopen it again, like that. And then I'm going to go ahead and grab some lettuce seeds. Now, it may be too late to grow this stuff now, but I am going to give it a shot just to see if I can grow lettuce. There's several seeds in here. I'm going to move that one back a little bit. I'm going to move that one there. Let me spread that over here. All right. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to flip it back over again. The same thing as I did with the carrots. And now I'm going to spray them down with water. And I'm assuming it gives the seed moisture, but also it allows this toilet paper to stay together. And I thought the first time when I did the carrots that you really need to have this dried enough to fold it, but you don't. I've been playing with it, and it seems like once it's wet, you just can go ahead and just fold it. There we go. I'm just folding it so I can bring it outside and then I'll lay it out. So there we go. Now, I am going to go ahead. You don't need to watch me do that again. I've already, on my seeds, on my carrot seeds, I have, I think, 10 strips of those. And they are 5 foot long though. Probably make 2 more of these right here, and those 2 strips, and then I'm going to take them in the garden, and I'll bring out the garden and show you how I'm going to do it. And all right, guys, you see me in the house. I took my basically toilet paper strips right here, and then these here, and you can see the seeds. These are carrot seeds. So I'm going to go ahead and spread these out across here. And then I'll spread them out one at a time a row, and then I'll start covering them up. I'll show you what we got to do next. All right. So remember the roll was split in 2, and we're going to unravel it the same way. It's very windy out, so this is going to be fun. And we're just going to unravel the whole thing all the way through. This soil here I have has been from garden plants, different things there. I'm not using no more. It's good soil. So I'm going to use this and sprinkle it on here lightly. Cover up your paper. And this is for Shedwars Northern Hemisphere Global Gardening. So we'll see what happens. This is a tip on trying to grow your carrots and lettuce, because I'm going to do lettuce in the next bed, but in different areas. So let me continue. Let me run another row of this out. Let's get one more row. There we go. And then once again, we're going to cover this up with this mix. It's just old salt plant mix I've had that I rejuvenated. I've mixed some cow manure with it just a little bit to use it just for this. Okay, I had to start spraying this quickly because the wind got really heavy. So I'm wetting this down really good. They did say to cover up the paper really good. All right, wet this down again. All right, I got this watered down now so it doesn't blow away. I'm going to move on and get my next. I've got maybe, I think, 8 more rows to do. So what we got left is right here. I can plant something here. I also have, underneath this pile, is my seeds for my lettuce. I'm still thinking about it, because there is 1, 2, 3 rows of sugar snap peas. Whatever I had left for green beans from last year seeds, I put that on the final row. We have so many green beans I really don't need to be grown no more, but I figured I'd grow them fresh instead of canned. I do have the center row here and the center here that I could literally put my lettuce in. That's underneath here. I got them all wrapped up too. Some peppers here and peppers down in this area, and see which one grows the best. And that's what I'm thinking about doing. So I may put 2 of my pepper plants here, 1 and 2. Put my lettuce over here, and let's see how it grows with this soil. So I think you can see the lines carrots are at. That's a different soil. I'll keep this wet, keep it watered, and we will go from there, guys. All right, I think that's that is what I'm going to do. Ooh, I bumped the camera crooked. I'm going to put those, thinking about it, it's a test. I'll put 2 pepper plants here, and I'll put the rest down here, along with the tomato plants and stuff. So, all right, guys, I'm going to go. You all have a good day. Thanks for following the channel. Thanks for watching. And we've got more videos we got to put out here coming up. All right, we'll see you in a bit.